Hello everyone, this is Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this Sinkology 30-inch farmhouse sink. So I don't have my countertop installed, but I do have the sink installed. Now I have to install my sink first because my countertop is going to overhang and come flush with this right here. So it is at the perfect level of the cabinets. Now as you'll see, it is exactly 30 inches across. Front to back, you're looking at about 18 inches. And then up, down, right about 8 3/4. So I had to put mine into a 33-inch basin cabinet. So it's 33 inches across the very front. And I did have to cut this out in order for the sink to fit. And then I did put in some extra supports. So there's not much for the sink. The sink has to sit on some wood that you have to put in yourself. So I put a 2x4 and then 2x4s going down. Getting those was a little tricky because you want that, it's going to sit on that 2x4, and you want that to be perfectly level with your cabinets. And then the people that are making my countertop, they wanted this installed so that when they make the countertop, it is going to be cut out just for this and overhang this a little bit. Now I've got mine sticking out, just about an inch, almost 1.5 inches. The doors stick out about 1 inch, so it is a little bit farther than that. I think it looks really nice. And then the opening here, that's about 3 3/4, all the way with the taper is about 5 inches. And then here's some more of that support that I made. Here's the bottom of the sink, what it looks like. Okay, so let's see how much room. We do have a room for a garbage disposal. It's like almost 20 inches up to the bottom of the sink from the cabinet base. Now, if you do have access, I did screw the screws into this 2x4 from the outside of the cabinet. Now, this sink is really heavy, and it seems very well made, so you're going to want to use 2 people to lift it in and out with. So this is the 30-inch farmhouse sink. I've got it installed. Now, you do want to be careful when you're installing them. You do have to cut this out yourself, and I didn't do the best job when I cut it out. So just take your time and get it right. Here's what it looks like installed. I had them put the countertop over it. You can do it the other way. The sink would be up high and bring the countertop to it, but I thought this looks a lot nicer. And the countertop people did put a bead of caulk underneath there when they put this on. But the water just runs really nice to it. I got it nice and level. Everything runs into. I've got mine. I got a garbage disposal in mine. It just looks really nice. Okay, so the sink I installed was made by Sinkology 30-inch single bowl Fireclay Farmhouse sink. There's the measurements. And here's kind of a more exact measurements. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.